What's up, mate? In this video, I'm going to give you the answer for this interesting question about wine production in a place in the United States of America. And here's a question. Well, Napa Valley is known for producing which type of wine? Okay, before I give you the answer, I'll make you try to guess. Try to answer this question, okay? So here is the list of the option. The very first option is Pinot Grigio. Second option is Riesling. The third option is Cabernet Sauvignon. And the very last option is Chardonnay. I'll give you the correct answer for the question. And the correct answer for the question is Cabernet Sauvignon. Yeah, that's the correct answer for the question. Um, the, the pronunciation sounds very much like you speak like a France. Okay? So yeah, Cabernet Sauvignon. That's a very cool name. And here is the reason why this is the correct answer. Cabernet Sauvignon is the correct answer because it is Napa Valley's signature and most prestigious and varietal thriving in the region's warm Mediterranean climate to produce world-renowned full-bodied wines. The option Pinot Grigio is incorrect because this light crisp white grape is primarily celebrated in northern Italian regions like Veneto and Alto Adige, rather than defining Napa's wine identity. Riesling is a wrong choice because this aromatic, cool climate grape is famously associated with Germany's Mosel and Rhine valleys as well as New York's Finger Lake. So that is correct answer for the question. Cabernet Sauvignon, that's the correct answer for the question. Hi, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video is very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing this channel. Please this subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. And if you find this video is not really good, or you don't really like this video, or you kind of feel that it's a little bit offensive or something like that, you can click this one, dislike button. You can do that anyway. And if you want to share this video with your friend, you can share it by clicking this share button, and you can share it to any social media that you wish that is currently available at this time, like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and many others, right? And if you want to add this video to your playlist, you can click this one. You can watch this video later, and you can find more options by clicking these three dots. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you again in another video. Bye bye. See you again.